Our products have a very well-known brand and a worldwide brand that is recognised, and we feel that having a facility to match that is equally as important. My name is Tom Francis. I'm the Australian Business Manager for Obex Group. Obex are a manufacturer and supplier of membranes, so weather seal systems for high-rise buildings and residential buildings across the world. So we decided to build a facility in Australia to service the Australia-New Zealand region. The head office is in the UK, and what we wanted to create in Australia was something that was in keeping with what we've got over there. So we've set the standard and we wanted to recreate what we've got there, obviously on a bit of a smaller scale. Yeah, so we used the design brief from the UK, including all the colour palettes and schemes, and then we transferred that over to the designers in Australia. And we used Akura, the design team there, and we spent a lot of time prior to construction to make sure that we're absolutely clear on what we were going to get and the standard that it was going to be done at. Yes, I guess some of the challenges for us were we wanted it to be consistent with the standard that we had already achieved on previous assets. And I guess just getting the confidence from the builder that we were going to achieve that and that we weren't going to have corners cut. I guess we were confident with Akura. We've known them for a long time, and we've also had some very good referrals from their previous clients. It gave us a lot of confidence when using them. The market is very volatile, and there were a number of the big players that are struggling, but yeah, those referrals and personally knowing them has really helped. We just had one point of contact within Akura, which was really helpful, and they took all that stress away from us. We didn't have any communication with the council. It was all done through one contact in Akura, which as a business owner, that was very helpful. So having a turnkey project for us was really important, and having Akura handle everything from initial concept through to a fully designed package, and including the CDC and any communications with the council was really helpful. From the start, they were very clear with the milestones in the project and at what stage we would get handed over to a new contact, and that's been seamless throughout the project right to handover. So having the new facility in Australia has been a huge boost for the team here. It's really up the bar with the environment in the company and made a huge difference to the culture. Everyone's happy to come to work to a nice environment. Yeah, Akura were brilliant. We actually finished, I think it was 8 weeks ahead of schedule, which was phenomenal. It's unheard of really in the construction industry to have that ahead of schedule. And something that we were really impressed with was the quality of the finish. So there's certain details on the project, for instance, the landscaping, that they didn't cut any corners, they didn't skimp, they provided us with a very good quality finish, which was above our expectations. So for a company, the quality of finish really reflects the brand, the products that we're selling, and we feel that's very important. Overall, it's been a very good project. Really enjoyed working with Akura. There's been no stress and the communication's been excellent. And we have had a very good project manager on site, which has been helpful. Always answer their phones. And any issues that we've had, they could jump straight onto them. They give you a very good answer. So we had no issues